Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have seen how we can read this information from Firestore using React Native at Typescript. Now in this video, we are going to learn how we can update the information if we want to update. For that same process, we have to create one more button. So just make a copy paste of this and I give the name to this button is update. Now I need to change the function also. I give more function, I say update. Now again same, we have to create this function. So I say here const update info equal to arrow function, and here in this arrow function we need to update the information. Update of information is same as for insert of information. So we have to check all the informations are available. So I copy and I paste it here and I say record updated same, and in place of set I will put the update button. You see we have the updating process also. So we try to check this, writing a data, adding information. We have a two function, add if we don't want to specify doc id, but if we want to specify doc id then we have to use set, and we have a update function with doc id. So here I use update function in place of set. Remember, same function, only one word of change, same code which we are checking that we should have the data information available here in this, and then we have this thing. After that we want to check the record also. Suppose I refresh this application, once again I run. Now I want to read the information on the basis of key. As I specify here SID, I should have a data available in these text field. So I press here third, suppose I press enter, then I should have information here, then I can easily update. For that I have to make one change, minimum change in the text field, SID text field. Here I say submit. On submit editing, here I need to call a function. I say get students. So this function I call here. On the basis of this I will call get student, and this student will fetch the student information, and then we will update the information in the text field and we will update it as per requirement. So I say const, I say get students equal to arrow function. Then here I need to read the information on the basis of SID. So I say here read information. We may have order by here also, but I am not using order by. I can put the condition here where. So I have here like this, where filter where age equal to this. So I can take this also. So we have a snapshot filtering. We have, I specify the doc id. On the basis of doc id I may have the information. So like this, I take this one, I copy this and I paste this one here. You see that as I pass here, so I pass here a student, I pass here SID. So on the basis of SID, so I need to check the SID should not be blank. So I say SID dot length should be greater than 0. Then I need to pass the if condition, and I need to pass this if condition here, and I say else I say toast dot show, I say please insert SID, then I say toast dot long and save this. So we have this one. Now we are passing SID, we will have the information, we have snapshot, and I just close this one. And if the information is available, then what I have to do, if information is not available, then I will display that SID or record is not available. I say record not available, SID not found, record not found, record not found, like this. Otherwise, save this. Otherwise I need to insert the information one by one in the set, I say set name, set as name, and here I will pass this document data like this way, dot as name like this way. Try to save this. So it is saying that it is undefined Firebase, so this information is not coming. So what I do, I try to check this information. First of all, what is the information? So I say student data and I try to fetch it first of all, then I will make it as per the requirement. So I pass here 3 and I press enter, and you will see that if I press enter, it will execute get student function. Nothing is coming. So if I remove this and I press enter, then it say please insert SID. If I pass the ID number 2 and I press enter, so you see it's showing the information and it's returning a object here, then I will get the information. So for that, what I do, I take here, it is a object. So I create one object here. I say where, I say data equal to object like this. So declare but never use, so I use it, and I pass this here. I say data equal to document dot snapshot. Copy this, paste this, save this. So I pass this and I set this, it is Firebase document type. Undefined is not assignable, so I say undefined also. Save this, never use, we will use it, and I pass here data dot as name. I try to display the name of this information. Data is undefined, use this like that way. So now I try to fetch the information. I have a 2 here and I pass here, yeah, name is coming. So what I do here, after getting this information, I will set as name here as a data, then dot I say as name, then I make copy of this 2 times, then I say as course, then I pass here as course, then I say as branch, and I say here as branch. Save this, remove this value, console value, no need of this value here. Save this. Now I try to click on second, and you see we have the value of second record here, and if I click on 1, press enter, so I will have a 1 also. If I click on 3, press this, then I have a 3 also. Now you see I click on 1 and I have the information. If I click on read, you see this same information I have. On a 1 number we have a Vipin Tevatia. So in place of this, suppose I say Dr. Vipin Classes like this, I want to update. In place of PhD, suppose I say YouTube and I click on update. So this record, you see record updated. I click on read button and you see in place of this we have a YouTube, and this is the Dr. Vipin Classes. So this information is successfully updated and we can easily fetch the information here. Second record is coming and we can change easily. Suppose in place of CS I say it is IT, then I say update and I say read, and you will see in place of this we will have the IT also. So like this way we can make modification, we can fetch the information, and we can do the manipulation as per the requirement. In this video we also learn how we can update the information in Firestore using React Native with Typescript. If you like it, please do subscribe. In next video we will see how we can remove or delete the information on the basis of ID. Thank you for watching this video.